Ladies, it's that time of year to get your Lancome Advent Calendar. It is such a wonderful time of year. It is an Advent calendar from December 1st to the 24th that every day it's like Christmas because you get to pick an awesome Lancome product out of the box and it's their gift to you every day of December, just like a regular Advent calendar, but you're getting goodies. So check it out. In this next clip, I'm going to walk you through exactly how and where to get your Lancome 2024 Advent Calendar. You will love this year's amazing Lancome Advent Calendar. You open a box for every day of December from the 21st to the 24th, but it is only available online. So you have to go to lancomeusa.com, search Advent Calendar, and it will pull this up. You guys, it is amazing. It already has so many excellent reviews. The price is $190, but as you can see in the section where it says you can do the afterpay and break it up into 4 different installments. And you also on this page can sign up for rewards. Look at all the different pictures. It shows you a little bit more about the calendar. But look at the products. 24 amazing products. There is 6 full-size products and the rest are travel sizes. My favorite is the full-size La Via Bell. You guys, that's almost $100 right there. But you can see everything that it comes with if you scroll a little further down on the website. Here's Zendaya. She's giving you a little sneak peek. This is their little promo video. But see, you pull a little box out, and every day from the 1st to the 24th, you get an amazing Lancome product. It is so fun. I did it last year, and it was amazing. There's all the reviews and people that have posted about it that you can read at the bottom of the website. There's also a heading in the menu for gift sets. Every holiday, they put out gift sets specifically just for Christmas at a discounted price. Often you can get 2 or 3 products for the price of one product. I have other videos on my YouTube channel about this, but there is skincare, there is makeup, but I'm going to highlight a few of my favorites right here. The Monsieur Big that I'm scrolling over, that is $39 for 2 mascaras. It's regularly $36 just for one. And the Juicy Tubes, I'm scrolling over right now. See, you can get 25% off if you submit your email, but there are so many good gift set bargains. The one I'm highlighting for the La Via Bell, you pay just for the perfume and you get the lotion free. Absolute sets. So many different kind of gift sets options just for the holidays. So check it out online. There are also special services like rewards and engraving. They give you free samples with every Lancome purchase online. And you can also check out Lancome's newest products. Here they are on this page, but look at this. The Absolute Rose Moon. This is the newest Absolute product. You guys have got to go online and check this out. It is an essence that is made by Absolute, but it does have all the natural rose extracts. You can tell all the information. You can look at pictures. It has the ingredients. It has all the applications. You can also get this product for 4 payments in the Afterpay in the little green section right there. It is made from the Absolute factory in France. But look at all the options. Look at all the different scents in these essence that you can buy. This is so cool. You when it's in store, ladies, we've got to go get a sample. All the expensive stuff, you can get samples. It tells you everything about it in the description online here, even all the ingredients, the benefits, how to apply, and all the necessary information that you like about this product. Ladies, check out the Advent Calendar 2024 on the website at lancomeusa.com. It is such a great value. Is that not amazing? Not just the Advent calendar that I just walked you through on how to get it on the website, but how to discover Lancome's newest products, everything they have to offer, including amazing holiday gift sets and discounts and rewards. You guys, I love you always. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Till next Tuesday, much love.